Hello, fifth grade. This is Mr. Mulligan's Marvelous Mathematics, and we're going to be all about income. And what income is, that's the money coming in. So if you get a job, you are what's called an employee, and this one is you. You would have an employer, and that's the company that pays for your work, who pays you. That's your employer. And the money you earn at your job is your income. So now we're going to talk about two different kinds of income. Well, let's just look at this detail. You do not get to keep all that you earn. Part of your money goes to the government to help build roads, schools, and bridges, plus much more. Now, for budgeting and for your knowledge, there are two types of income. The two types are gross income, which is that's all the money you earn before you subtract taxes and insurance. Pearson and also on Teaks as practice, they call those deductions. So when you see the word taxes and insurance, you should know, oh, those are deductions. So your net income is all the money you earn minus your taxes and insurance or deductions. So gross income is your total, and we learned this as it's if it's an hourly job, it's your rate times how. So your rate, like I say, you make $10 an hour times how much hour you worked. You worked 8 hours. 10 times 8 is $80. That would be how much you made. Net income would be you have the $80 and now you subtract your deductions. Let's say you paid $10 in taxes. You'd have $80, you subtract or deduct $10. Your net income is $70 or what you actually make. So that $70 is actually what gets put in your bank account. So this is why when you get a job or your parents have a job and they say they make, but they only take home most of what they make, but they have to pay deductions or taxes. So knowing that, let's go to Pearson and let's solve these problems. It says gross income is $126.35. Find each net income. Well, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I just have to subtract. So question one, I'm just gonna have my gross income. That's my total. $126.35. And then I subtract my deductions. $35.30. 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. I bring my decimal straight down. 6 minus 5 is 1. 12 minus 3 is 9. So my net income is $91.05. Now, I'm not confident in my work, so I'm going to use magic math to check my work. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 6 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 5 is 17, which is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 3 is 11, which is 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So let's check it. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 5 is 15, 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, so I'm more confident now. I checked my work. Let's go to question number 2. Gross income, $603. And deductions is $151.12. Now, this is a great question because oftentimes students mess up when there's nothing up here. They go, "Oh, that's just 12 cents." It's actually not. You have to add zeros and then we subtract. So then I would borrow 3 to become a 2. This 10 makes it a 9 and this is a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. And you can make this a 5 and this a 10. That may help you. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So I have $451.88. I'm also not confident on this, so I'm going to use magic math to quickly check to see if my answer is right. So let's do it. And I don't use these borrowed numbers. I go back to the beginning. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So it's 9. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. Plus 2 is 10, which is 1. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. Plus 8 is 18. Plus 8 is 26. And 2 plus 6 is 8. So my answer is correct. I'm more confident now. And that is how you find the net income when given the gross income and deductions. I hope that helps you solve these problems. This is Mr. Mulliken signing off. Bye. Sayonara. See you soon. Have a great one.